After a long time, I was feeling bored, and I was bored, so I just tried solving my 11th grade first period questions, and let's solve it. And I not solve it. I already solved it, but I will explain. So in future, when I feel bored and I try to do this kind of things, I can do it easily. So this video can help me. So I'll start. पहिला हामीसँग छ question number 1. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, the angle is 90 minus 90. There are minus 270 here. 90 to 70, like this. In this two brackets pretense गर्छ. It belongs to this options, and here sign can be positive or negative, and cos is what? Cos is always negative. So, and it's asking uma afirmação necessariamente verdadeira. So, if sign is plus and minus, it cannot be necessarily true. So, yeah. So, in this option, if there is sign with this angle, that can be sign this angle. This can be. This two can be, because they are not necessarily true. We have to focus on this two. So I have a little note here. This is not a note. This is rough. For me, it's a note. For others, it's nothing. And cos theta. If cos belongs to this, it's minus, right? If it belongs to this, cos is minus. And my cos minus sine. If sine belongs to this, sine b. So if sine belongs to this angle b, 90 if belong this. When sine is here, sine is positive. So minus plus minus. So it's less than. So it is the correct answer. So why is this not correct? This is like when cos belongs to this in these two parts. In here, cos is negative. We know, multiplied by 10b. 10 when it belongs here. No, not here. 90 180. When it belongs here, is minus. It's 10 is minus. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. It's minus because tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. In here, sine is plus and cos is minus, so it becomes minus. Don't ask me why sine theta sine theta by tan theta sine theta by cos theta. It is because it is. And question number 2. In this one, we need to find what? Actually, we have question here. We have to determine the value of sine this, but we don't have to find it in exact way, like not in points. We need to know the exact value. So to find this, I may need to remember for this is very important. Just to know the answer, like just consider this point B, even though it's shown here like this. Just think always like, is this angle, so it becomes more easier. For example, like here, 90 minus b, 90 minus b, so it becomes this is cos, this is sine. When it becomes like this, what is this here? This is cos, and this is sine. But what happens is this sine becomes cos here. So sine, what happens to sine? Sine become cos here, cos, positive cos. Okay, this sine, it goes here and become cos when its angle is this, and cos minus b, minus b. What happened? Cos remain cos is positive. So cos theta plus cos theta. Don't mind this, I'm like this. So 2 cos theta, right? But we don't know the value of cos, so how are we gonna find the value of cos? Matter of fact, what we know is from this here in question, Ponto C. Pertence a reta E de ordenada y uses minus 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4, which is equals to minus 10b. Okay. Sorry. This is ordenada. It's from here. Minus 3, which is minus 10b. So from this, we need to use the formula. We know like 10b is equal to 3 by 4. And from the trigonometric formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, we divide each one with cos theta, so we can have tan theta in our equation. And we know tan theta plus 1, and here is cos theta, so we just solve. And at last, we get the value of cos, which is also x. In mathematics, writing this thing, I don't know what is it, I don't care. The topic, the chapter, I don't know, maybe trigonometry. This is trigonometry. Yeah, I don't know what does that triangle say trigonometry. But let's focus on our question. We know cos theta equals to 4 by 5, so initially we have 2 into cos b, so we just multiply 2 into 4 by 5, which is 8 by 5, which is the correct answer. Or just to verify the answer, you can do like this. From here, like, we know this angle is 90, right, and no, yeah, no, I did something crazy. I forgot. This is 90. We made it x. And how did I find this angle? Yeah. So this is tan theta. Yeah. This is tan theta. P by b, which is tan theta is equal to part nivela batsas. Ayna batsas. Part nivela batsas b. Ayna batsas. Yeah. So tan theta equals to, we find the angle. Angle is b. Yeah. So angle is this, and then we just put like 90 minus that angle, which is not exactly, but it's near to this value 1.60, and this is also equals to which equals to exactly the same value. My English not Englishing, so yeah, it is how it is. And we have this 2.2. In this one, what we need to do is we need to use sine equals with a recent calculator to determine the position. For this position of A, find the measurement of segment of the reta AB. So we need to find, yeah, this is my test paper. Don't look at it, it's all messy. It's always messy, not oh. So we need to find this distance. So how can you find this? What we know is this is a circumference of trigonometrica, which means radius equals to 1. So A is equals to cos theta sine theta, because radius 1, so 1 cos theta 1 sine theta to be exact. Yeah, so how can you find this? That's a problem. We know this, so it becomes really impossible to calculate like this, like it looks like a triangle from nowhere. So we just make imaginary triangle like this, and we will try to find this from the imaginary triangle we made. We know this one, we don't know this, neither this, we don't know neither this two. So first we need to find the value of A. How can you find the value of A? From here. So here is the question. Here 180 minus the cos theta 180. Let us go 180 minus angle, so it's like here. So cos theta is exactly minus cos theta, so you have cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 4 by 9, cos theta is equal to 2 by 3. So what we need to know is A equals to minus 2 by 3, because it belongs to second quadrant, but here while we are solving the question, it's 2 by 3 because area cannot be negative. Just reminding you all, this is wrong, this is correct here. And from this, what we did know is we found the value of A, so we found this. So it becomes easier to find the value of this, because from the equation of circumference here, we know the x square, because the initial point, the point of the origin is 0, 0. So x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is same as x square plus y square equals to 1. What is the radius square? So it's 1, and we know the value of x is 2 by 3. How did you know this? From here, and we just solve it and we get the value of y. The value of y means this value, this length of this thing. First we found this and this. Yeah, first we found this and this. First we found value of cos and this. First we found value of this cos theta, then we found the value of y sin theta. Yeah. So, and right now we are trying to find the segmental AB. So how we find segmental AB? We know value of this, and we know value of this all. So we know h square is equals to p square plus b square. So we know this is 5 root 5 by 3, and this is 1 plus this minus cos theta or cos theta. Yeah, so this is 1 plus 2 by 3. So h is equals to b square plus b square. We just use this formula and we get 230 by 3, and that's our answer. We move on to the next one, and this one is kind of interesting because when I was initially drawing it, I forgot how to do it, but yeah, it was kind of interesting. It looks big, messy, just big numbers with pi and tan cos, something like that. So let's see how we solve it. So to solve this, first of all, we're gonna simplify it. So we're gonna simplify means to know, first of all, we need to know tan 2p equals to 0, or tan 2p or tan 0 is equals to 0. Tan is 0 when it is 2p, like this here. Tan is exactly y, this thing like tan is y, so here is 0, and our is p minus 2 minus 2p, or is 2p, it's always 0, and sine is all the same thing. So we need to simplify it. How to simplify it? If we have minus 7p by 3, so we know minus 7p by 3 is minus p minus 6p. From here, here is minus p minus 6p minus 6 minus 7p by 3, which is same as this. So we cut this 3 to the 6 minus 2p minus p by 3. 10 minus 10, because it's 10 minus 2 is 0, so we cut this, we don't write that, so we only, the missing part is minus p by 3, so we write minus p by 3. In this one we have 4p by 3, so how we simplified p plus 3p, so only on what remains is p, I think so, no? P plus p by 3. No, it remains p plus p by 3. It remains, this one is great, it remains p plus 3p by 3. 2p. What do I write here? So I must be doing something wrong. P plus 3p. Oh yeah, I was doing, no, sorry. The p plus 3p, so p by 3 plus p. Yeah, that's correct. So that's correct, and here we have 7p by 6. How we solve that? We solve that by just using 6p plus p, 6p plus p, x p plus p by 6. Yes, exactly. And this is the most important part, the most funny, 5p by 6. 5p by 6, how we gonna, we can do the same method as we did earlier. So